doing a quick project on the WRX today, and I hate the stock grill. I don't like the look of it. There's a bunch of aftermarket options that are out there, but personally I like the look of the stock, just what is it, the Subaru sports grill for the WRX. So I've got that in the back of my car. Let's pull that out, let's pull the front bumper off, and let's get that installed. So this is the part number, and I picked it up from Subaru of Puyallup. It runs $350 roughly. Yeah, $349, so like $385 with tax. I also stopped by the store to pick up some new tools today. I'm going to be installing the parent oil air separator, and I need a 27 millimeter deep socket. And I also picked up myself a bunch of new wrenches, so I'm super excited about these. These have the swivel head, kind of like the snap-on tool ones. Let's open up this grill first, and we can take a look at it next to the stock one on the car. And I wasn't actually planning on buying this. I stopped by the Subaru dealership today, just get some Subaru coolant. And I saw a car in the parking lot, which I'll throw the picture up, that had the sports grill on it, and I just liked it. It was right next to just another WRX with the base grill. And I was like, oh, after seeing it side by side, I had to have it. So it had one in stock, so I bought it. Let's do a quick comparison. It's going to look like that, which looks way cleaner than that ugly, just plastic stock design. I like that this is high gloss black as well. So excited for these new wrenches. Get the swivel head on it, and then they've got like micro movement, so if you're stuck in a tight spot, or just like the snap-on where you can just barely move and get a tooth, which is going to be much easier than the cheap Craftsman tools I've been using for the last 20 years. And my old 1/4 inch socket wrench was stripped out. It didn't even work anymore, so super excited for these. So we got the front bumper off. Here's the new grill. That should only take you, it took me about 2 minutes, so if it's your first time it might take you 5 to 10 minutes, but it's a simple process. Just remove all the little clips and stuff all the way around, top and bottom. Pretty self-explanatory. But to remove the stock grill, you've got these screws on the back, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to be removing those all the way around. And then you've got this like little cover plate on the new one, and I think that's for like if you had the automatic and you had like the like those safety features built in with the CVT, where it has like the electronic braking if for the radar cruise control. I think that's for the sensor. My car is a manual, so it doesn't have that. So we'll use the couple of set screws that comes in the box, and we'll just attach this onto there. Otherwise, if you don't, you have a hole like that. I'm super excited. Look at the difference on this 3/8 inch long reach compared to my old little tiny Craftsman wrench that I've had this since I was like 17 years old. I'm 41 now. I think I bought this when I was, this whole set when I was like early 20s. And comparing the 1/2 inch drive, it's going to give me like an extra couple inches plus the flexibility on the head, which is going to be very versatile. So super excited for that. I'm sure you guys know how frustrating it can be to have crappy tools and not the right tools to do the job effectively. So I think this is going to give me that little extra to just make jobs a little bit quicker, a little bit more simpler, and yeah, well worth the money. You got all these little like plastic pieces that you just kind of depress the little nubs. Once you push those in, you can pop this out. So here's a good look at them side by side, guys. And I think this is just going to look infinitely better on the car. It's got the piano black finish, gloss black versus kind of that, I don't know, shiny gray, which doesn't really match anything else on the car. It's kind of weird that Subaru went with that design. This looks way better. I think this is more of like the JDM Grille, how the car comes in Japan, if I'm correct. But let's go ahead and slap this up on. You guys let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? I personally think it looks cleaner, more stylish, more aggressive. It matches the car. Now, with this having more of that hexagonal pattern, these stock, you know, base model fog light bezels don't really match the rest of the car. So while I have the bumper basically all unclipped, I haven't, you know, secured it back to the car. I'm gonna go ahead, I'll give you guys a teaser at the end of this video. This is the Import Image Racing Noble STI LED fog light bezels. I'm going to install those next. So that'll be in the next video. I'm going to finish that video now. So it'll probably be posted maybe tomorrow after the time you guys view this. So you guys stay tuned for that. It was just kind of a quick video. And if you like VB WRX content as well as GTR content, subscribe to the channel, guys. We're almost at 12,000 subscribers. I'd like to hit 12,000 subs with your help. We could do it. And I'm doing all these visual mods because Stateside Garage invited us to a car show. So we're going to be sitting at the vendor booth on the 21st. So before we go there, I wanted this grill piece on. I want to get the Noble bezels on here. I've got some brake lines coming for the big 6-piston STI brake kit, which is down here. So I reached out to a company, which I'll reveal that when I install the brake kit, but they're going to make me a custom set of brake lines that will mount perfectly to the VB WRX and have enough length, and it's going to mount up to, you know, the stock suspension, like the struts, so the brake lines and everything are secured, and they're going to mount perfectly to the Brembos, and that'll work for the 6-piston or the 4-piston. So super excited on that. You guys stay tuned. So yeah, lots of projects to do, and I'm going to get to work. And you know what? It's my day off. You could have any beer you want in my garage, as long as it's Corona.
You can have any brew you want, as long as it's a Corona.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.